Hey, what's up world? Welcome to United Cuisines, your source for international recipes. Join us in our mission to cook meals from all over the world in our very own kitchen. Today we will head to Cyprus and use their national treasure halloumi for some delicious Mediterranean eggs. Halloumi is an unripe semi-hard cheese from goat, sheep and sometimes also cow's milk. Our halloumi egg recipe will generate 2 servings with more than 700 calories. It is very low in carbohydrates, but has a lot of protein and fat. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner, for it is very filling and delicious, which by the way makes it very difficult to share. Let's have a look at today's small crew. We will need around 125 grams of halloumi, 15 grams of butter, as well as 1, 2, 3 eggs. 90 grams of cherry tomatoes and a pinch of oregano will add some Mediterranean flair to our dish. That's it. Now let's move to our workstation and do some prepping. Cut the halloumi in dice-sized cubes. This sophisticated and Nobel Prize deserving cutting technique can save you some time, so feel free to use it. Proceed with the tomatoes and get rid of the pedicles extension, or don't if you're lazy and don't mind them in your eggs. Alrighty, enough prepping for today, let's do some cracking now. 1, 2, 3. Crack the eggs into a little bowl and make sure to not add any salt, for the halloumi is already very salty. Add the tomatoes into the bowl and use the force to perform some speedy whisking. Now grab your pan and pull it up like a lightsaber in slow motion, and of course don't forget to use the good old wooden spoon in order to not hurt your Teflon pan. Align your ingredients at the start line, heat up your pan over high heat and add the halloumi cubes. Fry the halloumi cubes for a minute over high heat till the water leaks out completely and they turn brown. Make sure to give the halloumi the roller coaster ride of its life. After all, it has deserved it. Reduce the heat to medium and add the butter after 60 seconds. Let the butter sizzle till it's completely melted and bath the halloumi in it for a minute. Make sure to not burn the butter and add your scrambled eggs soon. Rattle your pan and sweep its floor with your wooden spoon. The movement should be inwards in order to get our scrambled eggs a nice wave-like form. Well, sort of. Make sure to remove the eggs as long as they are soft on the top and nicely place them on a flat plate. It's not easy, I know. I mean, it's physics after all. Just try it though. Oh, well done. Doesn't look too bad. Now, sprinkle a pinch of oregano over your halloumi eggs and enjoy them warm. And there you go. A delicious and filling low-carb egg recipe with some precious halloumi from Cyprus.